brakes are off. Reds 1, 2 and 3 start rolling. 1 second later, Reds 4 and 5. 2.5 seconds later, Reds 6, 7, 8 and 9. 5,200 pounds of thrust being produced by that Rolls-Royce Ador engine, reaching now about 100 miles an hour already, taking off at about 150 miles per hour. Moving into wall, a very wide formation. Now, Fairford, please put your hands together for the Rios! Entering a left-hand turn, you have the voice of one calling the pilot Phoenix formation. 4, 5, 8 and 9, now move a beam, Reds 2 and 3. A 6 and 7 move to tuck in behind 2 and 3. And red 1 is squadron leader David Montenegro. It's his third and final year as the team leader. He's a former Hawk flying instructor and Tornado F3 air defence pilot. He first joined the team back in 2009 and left in 2011, having led the synchro pair. He's just called colour on go, as we've got some more red, white and blue to the left-hand side in Phoenix.
Left in. Out. Rolling. Out.
With their blue and red smoke on, that is Reds 8 and 9, rolling back now to be Red 7's aircraft as they have formed the shape of an aircraft, specifically a Spitfire. I'll talk more about that very shortly. On the leader's right wing is Red 2, he is the first of our new pilots this year. He's Flight Lieutenant Toby Keeley. Toby's a former Tornado GR4 pilot. More recently, he's been instructing on the Hawk, but not this version of Hawk, the Royal Air Force's newest advanced jet trainer, the BAE Systems Hawk T2. A much more relevant aircraft for training our 4th and 5th generation fighter pilots. That's Toby on the leader's right wing. So the aircraft to the front right now is Spitfire, and we've introduced this shape this year to celebrate the Royal Air Force's Battle of Britain Memorial Flight's 60th anniversary. Coming in from the right.
Now.
This is Spitfire.
Hold in the bank. Now, guys.
The Battle of Britain Memorial Flight exists to commemorate all those who have lost their lives in service with the Royal Flying Corps or the Royal Air Force since 1914. Their motto is "Lest we forget." The most important motto of all Royal Air Force squadrons and must be passed on to all future generations. Spitfire's moving off to our front left, and as you see it on the leader's left wing is Red 3, the next of our new pilots, Flight Lieutenant Dan Rose. Rosie's background is solely on the Typhoon, where he spent a number of tours on the front line and then became a qualified weapons instructor. Setting up to the left now, ready for a fantastic dynamic manoeuvre we introduced last year. We've modified it this year. Get ready for Tornado. With blue and red smoke, Reds 8 and 9 roll around the rest of the formation before Red 1 is about to make it a lot harder for the boys as he enters a 3G left-hand turn. Says Red 9 and 8 and 9 finish their rolls around the formation. And now Red 1 calls for the next formation move. You'll see Reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 move to the very back of the formation as Reds 8 and 9 tuck in behind. And they're now forming the shape of that fabulous feat of British aviation engineering excellence. The white smoke is about to come on as they continue this left-hand turn, and they are going to show you Concorde. On the very bottom of the formation as we look at it is Red 5, and against the norm we actually have a returning Red Arrows pilot to the team this year. Red 5 is Flight Lieutenant Chris Linden-Smith. He's actually a former Tornado pilot walking instructor. He first joined the Red Arrows in 2011 and left in 2013, having led the Synchro Pair. More recently, he's been flying this version of Hawk with number 100 Squadron before coming back to the team this year. And that's him at the top of the formation now as we see it, as the 3 aircraft on each wing move forward to form our trademark shape. And they'll soon be coming in from the right-hand side with all 9 smokes trailing to present Diamond.
Out.
9 headlights, 9 smokes. Get your cameras ready as we present the Diamond 9.
Come in. Right now. Hold in the right. Now,
On the very bottom as we look at it now is Red 4. He is Flight Lieutenant Matt Masters. Matt is a former Tucano flying instructor and Tornado F3 defense pilot. More recently, he has been flying with number 100 Squadron, flying this version of Hawk. Now, the flat display has an extra formation in it. It's being formed now, a big T-shape. It's known as Dagger. They'll continue this right-hand turn with the smoke about to come on, and they're going to present Dagger.
Dead hot, 210. About 210.
So that is the end of the first part of this flat Red Arrows display. So far you've seen all 9 jets in different formation shapes. Now Red 1 is now telling Red 6 how he is going to start with the second part of the display, ladies and gentlemen. So we will be starting the second part of the show very shortly, coming in directly ahead of you. That big T-shaped Dagger at the front of it is Red 1 to 5. They're known as Enid, after Enid Blyton's famous 5. And at the back in the straight line are Red 6, 7, 8 and 9. Collectively they're known as Jippo. Jippo was the nickname of the gentleman who first led the back 4 aircraft when the Red Arrows first flew 9 ship displays back in 1968. So Enid are the front 5, Jippo are the back 4. They're about to roll directly towards the airfield. You'll see Enid at the top and Jippo at the bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready. We're about to start the second part of our display with the detonator. Enid, break, go. They fan out at the top. Now keep your eyes on the coloured smokes of Jippo. With this smoke changing from red to white on the right-hand side, just 100 feet above the runway. Their closing speed is a staggering 820 miles per hour as they fly Jippo Pass. They're working hard not to pass out under the G-force as they fly the Cyclone. Once again, the Synchro Pair will cross out the front of the manoeuvre we call the slingshot, but now you need to look to your right. Look to the right for the 5 jets of Enid, dropping down to 4, an inverted V shape. Now look left, 1 headlight, lone jet Red 9, flying through the V as they perform the Goose. Climbing steeply with a twinkle roll to the right is Red 9, Flight Lieutenant Emmett Cox. Emmett's in his 3rd and final year in the team. He's actually from New Zealand, but he moved to the UK in 2002 to join the Royal Air Force and became a Tornado pilot and Tucano flying instructor. A shallow climb to the left from Enid as they switch to white smoke, but now look directly ahead. 7 and 8 with the coloured smoke rolling around Red 6 before they get ready to split in the vortex. pointing towards each other to fly the opposition barrel rolls. Following pilots use their feet to input a lot of rudder, swinging the jets out like a pendulum in line of stern. Normally we fly our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left, the even-numbered pilots fly on the right, but in this shape it's the other way around. We've got reds 2 and 4 on the left, reds 3 and 5 on the right. They don't like flying on the opposite side, so they switch back to their normal sides by doing this in the slalom. While I've got a bit of quiet, I'm going to say a big hello to the pilots' wives and girlfriends. I would like to say hello to Angie, Hillary, Flora, Vic, Danielle, Michelle, Leanne, Monica, Nicola, Lizzie and Ellie here watching their other halves flying today. And that's on behalf of all of the pilots, but also we'd like to say thank you to all of the Red Arrows personnel and their other halves who support them during our busy season. Coming in battle now with the red smoke on, switching to white smoke as Enid finished the slalom. Now let's do the right-hand side to find Jippo. Jippo roll go in the hurricane. Carl Bleachers red 9 as the hurricane finishes that manoeuvre. Reds 8 and 9 rolling around synchro. Coming in from the right, this is the Revolution. The pilots there in the Revolution flying aileron roll, a full left-hand control column input. The colored smoke is on. 8 and 9 roll around the synchro pair. They then roll the Jippo break. Eventually becoming a Typhoon instructor, teaching new Typhoon pilots how to fly the aircraft on the operational conversion unit. So that's Si on the left, Tom on the right. Back to 100 feet, they're going to fly the double rolls. Pitching up, full power, 20 degrees nose up to roll, crossing in the middle for a second roll. The inside pilots pitch up to the outside in the rollbacks. Enid finishing their rollback to the right, look left and right again for the synchro. Cameras ready for the synchro pair and the carousel. Pulling 6G, remember they're working hard, their G-suits, they're inflating trousers, inflated around their legs, they're tensing hard against the G-force. Switching 3 times, they'll change their smoke colour from red to blue and vice versa. And as they cross at the front, Fairford, everybody here at the Royal International Air Tattoo, please put your hands together for the synchro pair! One rolling, says red 1, his red smoke is on. He pitches up to draw the mathematical symbol for infinity around the rest of the formation. This is the infinity break. You've been watching the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrows!
Rolling. Out. Flat.
So pitching up downwind, the air brakes come out and go to idle, pull 6G to slow down around the corner below 200 miles per hour, the limiting speed for the undercarriage. And now you can see they have lowered the undercarriage with red 1 about to turn finals.